everyone, welcome to the another new video about market analysis with the view for the next trading session, that is 9th of June. Let's start with the Nifty index analysis. This is the daily chart. Spot price 8 June. We have seen a hanging man candlestick pattern, and on 7 June also there is a hanging man. This is a reversal candlestick pattern on a top after a prolonged good rally on upside. So ideal condition for the candlestick pattern. If you can see, the low is almost same, 15,678 and 15,680. So 2 point difference is there. So almost same. Once this low 15,680 gets broken out, we can see confirmation of these two candles here, back to back two candles hanging man. That's a kind of not a good signal for Nifty index. So this is the whole price analysis on Nifty index. Let's start with the smaller time frame, first with the 15-minute time frame. And we have seen on 15-minute time frame the price rejection has been started from this level. So this is the area of stiff resistance for Nifty index, which is around 15,880, 780, 15,800 round number we can see is the resistance zone for Nifty index. Okay, so overall we have seen we have a bearish view because of the resistance is very near. If the resistance 15,780 is broken out next trading session, we will see a good upside momentum. But then if it is not breaking out, then it's very difficult for Nifty to sustain at this higher level. So 15,880, 15,780 and 15,800 kind of round number 20 point we have taken will be of stiff resistance for Nifty index. Smaller time frame 15-minute, let me mark the important levels like today's trading session high and low, which is also a very important signal. And this is the low. These are the two very important zones for next trading session. Let me check the area where the most of the price has been traded. So important area of support we here, which has broken out here and also taking support somewhere here. So this is the area of support for the next trading session. Let me mark with a different color also. And this is a day's high, and important area of resistance for the next trading session will be somewhere here. So 15,758. Let me mark the two levels which I have marked. Resistance is 15,760 is a round number, and support is 15,700. This could be a two important zone for the next trading session for Nifty index. Let's start with the Bank Nifty analysis. Okay. This is a reversal pattern, kind of two double candlesticks reversal pattern, which is very advanced. After that, we have seen a Harami pattern here also, and also there is a confirmation of these two candles on a downside. So some kind of reversal may possible because of the stiff resistance in Bank Nifty also. Let me start with 30-minute time frame. Okay. On 30-minute, we have seen lower bottoms here and lower tops. That's not a good sign. And let me convert to the 15-minute time frame. Okay. So it is having a some important area of support here. Okay. Let me mark the support and resistance zone now. So overall, we have seen a good rally on downside started from this, which is today's trading session high. Okay. And the low is somewhere here. These are the two levels, today's trading session high and low, which is very important support and resistance for the next trading session. Now let me show you and mark the level for the important area of turning point, which will be somewhere here, because here is the support is broken out and exactly market is resisted, Bank Nifty resisted 35,185 now will become a very important resistance zone. Okay, let me mark the color will be different like black. And what will be the area of support? So here we have not seen any kind of support, swing support since so many days. So simple, we will take the important retracement. So 161 is 34,800, 816 somewhere is the area of support. Let me mark this two level. Resistance is 35,185 and support is 34,800. These are the two levels. If you cannot able to see here, you can watch from here. Okay. Let me analyze few stocks for the next trading session, and that is the first is SBI, State Bank of India. We have seen here, and there is a important support which is broken out here. Now is acting as a resistance. Any bounce here is a good opportunity to shorting this counter. So SBI is for short sell because of this important area of support has been broken. So not here exactly, but if it comes near to this line 430, 431, then it will be a great idea to short this counter with a little bit of high is the stop loss. 4 to 5, 3 to 4 point is your stop loss near to 430 zone. Okay, so this is a one stock. One more stock I have analyzed is DLF. There is a good area here which is very nice breakout appears. Here's rejection, 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 and finally it has broken out, managed to close over this level. Okay, so you can buy near to this area 303, 304 and keep the stop loss as 299 somewhere here, this swing low, and waiting for a good up move on upside. You can use the pivot levels for the target area or maybe sometimes stop loss area also. So these are the two stocks. SBI for short sell purpose, any bounce is a good opportunity to short sell. DLF is a good opportunity for buying opportunity. You can find in DLF for the next trading session. So that's it from my side. I hope you love this video. You are learning something new. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Wait for another video. Thank you so much.